Hello everyone, I'm Khush and I'm going to show you a quick routine on the song called Finesse by Bruno with Cardi B, and then I will teach you the steps. So let's see the routine. So this was the routine. Now let's see the steps. So the first two counts are, this is my right side and this is my left side. Okay. So 1 and 2 and. After this, you will open towards the right side first. 3 and 4 and. Okay. So it will look like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. From here, see the legs first. 5 and 6, 7 and slide. This is my right side. I have to slide towards my right side. With the hands. 5 and 6, 7 and slide. Okay. From the top. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and slide. From here, my hands will come down. I will lift my right leg first. 1 and this is my left leg. Okay, so I will lift my right leg first and then the left leg. 1 and slide. 1 and 2. When the left leg goes down, my hands will be like this. From here, I will transfer all my body weight on the left leg and the knee will come out a little bit. So it will be like this, and when I transfer my body weight, it will be like this. Hands will come down. From here, my right leg will come closer and hands will be like this. Again, my left leg will go out and right leg will come in. So when we slide, 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and. First, the hands will be like this and then this. Okay, slide 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and. From here, your right leg will go back this and hands will open this. From here, there are 2 beats in which you have to do a head movement. Tap, tap. Okay, so we stop here, go back, do a head movement, tap, tap, and then my hands will come down and make a roll. Now, how to make a roll? It's very easy. In the starting, it will look that it is difficult, but it's not difficult. It's very easy. With practice, it will become more and more smoother. This is my right hand, so it will go back, turn, roll. My elbow will make a semicircle. So hand will go back, make a roll. The elbow will make a semicircle and open. So back, roll. Elbow will make a semicircle and my fist will come closer to my shoulder. See, fist is coming closer to the shoulder as the elbow makes a semicircle. Back, roll, semicircle and tap. So it will look like back, roll, elbow move, fist moves closer to the shoulder and tap. Back, roll, closer to the shoulder and tap. Back, roll, closer to the shoulder and tap. Same with the left hand. Back, roll, closer to the shoulder and tap. Back, roll, closer to the shoulder and tap. So when we stop here, tap, tap, then my hands will come down. My left leg is forward, so my left hand will rest on it and my right hand will make a roll. This. And right leg was back, it will come forward. Now again right leg will go forward and right hand will rest on it and the left hand will make a roll. Understand? We are here, now tap, roll, roll. From here, we will do a step 1 and 2. Your hip will move, will be out on the right side a little bit. So it will be like this and this. From here, your right hand will again make a roll. Back, in, back, front, side. In, back, front, side. And after it goes like this, we will have to see once on the right side. Okay? Take. Okay? So we stop here. In, back, front, side. Okay? There. From here, by both the hands will come closer to the left shoulder and they will do an overhead. While they do an overhead, my right leg will come closer to the left leg. So we stop here, tuck, 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 and then 2 overheads. Tuck, 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 tuck. And then 5 quick poses. Tuck, 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 tuck. You can do any poses. Okay? Now we will do 2 times on the count. Okay? 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and slide. 1 and 2, 1 and 2 and open. Tuck, tuck. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and tuck, 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 tuck. One last time on the count. 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and slide. And 2, 3 and 4 and open. Tuck, tuck. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, tuck. 1 and 2 and 3 and 5, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's see on the song.